Suppose I want to reach goal of $40,000 in my saving account. I initial deposit or an initial investment is $5,000. How much I deposit in each month to reach goal of $40,000 if annual interest rate is 9% and number of years are 10. Active cell reference G5, type 10. Press enter key. Active cell reference F5, type 9. Press enter key. Active cell reference E5, type positive $40,000. First enter $, then type 40,000. Press enter key. Active cell reference D5, enter negative $5,000 initial investment. First enter negative sign, then enter $, type 5,000. Press enter key. Now I calculate value of deposit per month. For this purpose, PMT function is used. Active cell reference I5, press delete key. Click financial arrow button. Click PMT function. In rate box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In FV box, select this cell reference, click OK. Function returns $143. So I will have $40,000 in my saving account at 9% annual interest rate in the 10 years if I initially invest $5,000 and I deposit $143 in each month. To verify that the calculated value of deposit per month is correct, for this purpose, I will use FV function. If FV function returns future value of $40,000, it means the calculated value of deposit per month is correct. Active cell reference F7. Click financial arrow button, click FV function. In rate box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PMT box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference, click OK. It returns $40,000. These two values are same. It verifies that the calculated value of deposit per month is correct. So I will deposit $143 in each month to reach goal of $40,000 in the 10 years.